Yeah.
Will be heavy rain?
I think so. I think they're counting for heavy rain, but I think you're right.
There is the rain. There's the rain.
Yeah.
There is the rain. Oh, Dad, it's not really nice though.
No.
Oh.
And it might get worse.
Yeah.
So you want chicken nuggets, french fries, root beer?
Dad, when I get home, can I record your phone upstairs in my room?
You want to take my phone?
Impossible.
I guess so.
Dad, did you see that? Your phone keeps doing like this, Dad.
Yeah.
Why you made it like that for?
Because you're doing that.
There is the rain. But, oh no.
What?
It's not really nice though.
It's not very nice out. It's not too bad. But it's not great. I agree with you. It's definitely not nice, is it?
There is the rain.
There is the what?
That's the rain.
Yeah, that is the rain. You're
What
right.
can you smell?
What are you smelling?
I smelled something.
What?
I smell McDonald's
You smell McDonald's?
in the car, in the wig.
Really?
Yeah,
Man.
well, that's our vehicle. Uh-oh, I don't think it's
Do
not.
you know Kurt Cobain is playing Jimi Hendrix there right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't be.
Kurt Cobain is playing Jimi Hendrix. Kurt Cobain's messed up the Lava reading stage,
Yeah.
and Kurt Cobain's playing Jimi Hendrix in Lava reading right now.
Yeah.
And Dave Grohl too.
And Dave Grohl, that's right.
And Chris Novoselic too.
And Chris Novoselic. You are right on that.
And the dancers too.
And the what?
And the dancers plays. And the dancers. And the
And the
dancers.
dancers.
Yeah, the dancers. Dancers just come to the Lava reading stage.
Oh. That's cool. Isn't it? What are you doing with your phone, by your phone?
No, that's your phone.
You know where you should go to get us something to eat, Thomas?
Yeah.
I want to bring you to City Light Buffet.
No.
No? How about,
That's not the way we get to McDonald's, but that's the way we get to McDonald's.
so we're going to McDonald's?
Yeah, are we getting McDonald's?
Yeah, we get McDonald's, buddy. So don't you worry about that. Daddy will get you McDonald's. If you want.
Does it not stop raining?
Yeah, it's slowed down. But it's going to rain again, don't you worry. I promise you that.
They play Territory Pissings in Lava Reading album?
Baby Carol, Tom, the police are right there.
Hey, did they play Territory Pissings in Lava Reading album?
I think so.
They didn't play it on the video.
Okay, so you want, look at this, a 10-piece McNugget meal, right?
Yeah.
a root beer.
Hey there, what can I get you?
Could I get a 10-piece McNugget meal?
Okay, what do you want to drink with that?
Root beer.
Yeah?
And could I get a large fries with that?
Yeah, sure. And a sweet and sour good sauce?
Yeah.
Okay.
And could I get a McChicken burger combo?
Okay, and how about the drink for that one?
Root beer, please.
Okie doke. Okay, and anything else?
Notice everything.
Alrighty, that comes to $23.78.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
That came from Rush Hour.
What?
The police came from Rush Hour, and the police was
Thomas?
all the cars in Rush Hour.
Okay. How old are you?
12.
That's right.
And remember, Dad, in the game, the police was all the cars in Rush Hour.
You put the cameras down, 'cause the police don't like cameras, Thomas. They'll make you, that's why they'll come over to you then, and they'll start. And Daddy don't have none of the papers on him here for this car, so we would get arrested here, buddy, so be careful.
I'm telling Galamassa I don't need to be careful.
Oh, we got to.
I'm telling Galamassa.
Well, you tell Galamassa all you want, but we got to be careful here.
And sorry, I didn't mean to hit my tablet, okay?
That's okay. You can't keep doing that.
When we get out of the police.
You're going to get me in trouble, buddy.
Here, McChicken meal, 10-piece meal.
Yep.
$23.78. 30. Thank you.
Yeah, and you're going to wear a face mask at school tomorrow.
Hey, police.
Because I'm telling you, he moved.
Remember you left me at home?
I did.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
Remember you risked me at home? Oh, God. I just hope that the police don't be checking people here now, because if they are, we're in trouble, buddy. Turn that light off.
The light off?
Yes, please, bud.